Top 5 Budget Sewing Machine Under $100. Number 5. KPCB Mini Sewing Machine. This is a small and lightweight machine, can do daily sewing jobs with one straight line built-in stitch. Pros. Good for straight line stitch. It is a good option for everyday home sewing. Comes up with an extension table. Compatible with both AC and DC current. Therefore, highly portable. Very reasonable price. It can handle multiple types of fabrics such as linen, cotton, denim, etc. Cons. Other than straight line, no other preset stitch included. It cannot handle heavy fabric. Number 4. Sewing Machine by Galadim GD015AG. This machine comes with 12 built-in stitches. Pros. Built-in thread cutter. 12 built-in preset stitches. Availability of reverse option. Very lightweight and portability. Included with LED light for clear vision. Cons. Limited number of presser foot included. This machine is not for advanced use. Number 3. Singer, Tradition 2259. This machine has 19 built-in stitches. Pros. Made of metal body. Adjustable stitch length and width. 19 preset stitching option. Hard fabric can be operated by this machine. Easy adaptation. Good for young and old people to learn sewing faster. Cons. Single step buttonhole is not present. Bobbin threading might seem a little difficult initially. Number 2. Brother Sewing Machine, XM2701. This machine has 27 preset stitches. Pros. This machine has single-step buttonhole. Availability of 27 preset stitches. This is better for decorative work. LED light included for clear vision. Automatic needle threading system included. Availability of multiple presser foot. Cons. Tension adjusting might seem a little difficult. Best for straight line operation only, though it can perform decorative job. Number 1. Singer, Start 1304. This machine comes with 6 built-in stitches. Pros. Stainless steel straight line bed plate. Comfortable threading for the beginners. Reverse sewing option included. Jeans and heavy clothes can be operated. Lightweight and portable. Cons. Fixed stitch length and width, which made it less customizable. You might have some problem with vertical bobbin setup. So, which sewing machine under 100 best suits for you? Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.